to the stream. I guess. So yeah, today we're updating Mechlife again. So it's not gonna be like a daily stream, but it'll be a stream. So I think that, like, you know, I might do daily streams on this, but I might also not. And today, I'm today I'm doing a lot. So updating Mechlife. I gotta update some of my other apps. I gotta release P-Denny and stuff. And I actually got a green screen for Christmas, so we're gonna be setting that up. So then hopefully you guys can see how I like, you can actually see what I'm doing. What are there 3 thumbtacks up here? I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and how do I do this here? Because it needs to get behind that first monitor. Well, I guess I don't really need the monitors in there, so I could probably do that. And then I also don't need the desk in there, so really I just need to aim it like kind of like that. So yeah, I'll go ahead and pop that out. There we go. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so now I only need to hang it. Ooh, but I need to hang it on part of the roof if I... Darn it! Crap. Maybe if I just remove that part, and then remove that part. Oh yeah, that works, okay. Okay. Oh crap. Frickle. set the thumbtack. Oh, okay. Yes. here we go. So I just extracted version 1.0.1a into our version 2 folder. We'll go ahead and change that. And then what this is basically going to do and be is it's well, it's basically going to kind of just let us kind of leave off from where we started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open with code. We'll close this big Visual Studio window, and then go ahead and maximize this one. Go into our SRC, audio, and we're adding the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. So I'm actually gonna rename it. We're gonna make it Apex Pro. So here, yeah. And here is what we need to do. So we need to go into the source, audio, and then in Apex Pro, there's nothing there yet. So what we're gonna need is go into Pro 2, go ahead and copy all of these over, and then we'll just rename it to the part in the actual for the actual keyboard. We're just using this as a reference again. So in this config.json file, we basically have like one, which is main.mp4 on all these. So yeah, all we're going to be doing is changing all these to fit a different keyboard. So first what we have to do is we have to go find a video of somebody typing on the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL, and then we need to download that and just cut it. So what we're gonna do is let's see. Okay, so I'm just gonna search SteelSeries. What? SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. Typing. Okay, so I found. We're gonna go ahead and try and see if we want to use this video, and then we can download it and decide. So oh, so he's already using my typing website. Yeah, I think this will be fine, so go ahead and copy it, and then ytmp3.cc. We'll go ahead and download as MP4. Download. We'll try this again. It's weird. Okay, we'll just use So ytmp3.co one, or you know what? I'm gonna go get a drink of water while it does this. Okay, I'm back. Looks like it finished. So, coding projects, Mechlife, v1.0.2a, source, audio, Apex Pro, and then we'll go og.mp4 for the original one. So as you can see, we have og.mp4 right here. So what we're going to be doing is we're basically going to be trimming this. So if we take a look at our previous ones like enter.mp4, it's them clicking the actual thing, and I did that on KineMaster. But now since I'm on a computer, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using my editor, Camtasia Studio. So Okay. Yeah, no one's watching. Okay, finally Camtasia booted up. It takes forever. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open up a new project, and we're gonna drag in our og.mp4. And yeah, that'll kind of just determine so if it ever boots up. Whoops. Okay, here we go. Boom. Crap. Boom. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I was just doing something off to the side, on the Discord server. Sorry. So, yeah. We are going to go ahead and drag OG into our media bin. Wait for it to finish loading. And then we'll put it right here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and zoom in here. So this guy types pretty fast, so we're gonna zoom all the way in so we can see each individual. So I need to find whenever he hits the space bar. So it looks like this is the space bar. Yeah, so this is the space bar. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just go right here, split that, come right here, split that, Control C, Control V, go and move this down a little bit, and here, let's see. Yeah, so that's our spacebar. Now we need to find other ones, so we'll just we'll try this one as main. I don't know if I like it yet or not, but might as well try it, so put it there. Go ahead and drag that. And we can delete the little spots that we cut out there. Now let's see how this sounds. Yeah, that's good as main. So that's spacebar and then the main one. What about down here? I think we'll do this one as like our low. So this will be high. Okay, so let's test these out. So spacebar, main, high, low. You know what, actually? Main, low, high, enter.mp4. I don't think he ever clicks enter. Or at least on this one. No, he doesn't, so we'll just have to find a... That sounds pretty good, so... split that. Move it up. Okay, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need 2 more. Doot. Doot. Okay. Okay, so that sounds about good. So now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and just copy these. Whoops. And hopefully they'll paste in there. No, so what we need to do is we need to, I guess we just have to create a ton of ones with each, well, section. So, this is the spacebar, so now what I need to do is I need to go File, New Project. Well, that'll open up. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete everything except for these. And then I'll just copy the exported file and trim to all of these, because that'll probably be easiest. So delete. So now, yeah, that's basically what it's going to be like. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to export local file MP4 only. We'll just go organize. No. We'll take this desktop, coding projects, Mechlife version 2, source, audio, Apex Pro, and save as. Boopy. And yeah, there we go. Okay, so now we click finish, and since it's only a 1 second long video, as you can see, it goes by really fast. You can click on finish, close, no. And there we go. So now we have our poopy.mp4, and we can just trim to where we need. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is all we need. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go this. We're going to go ahead and open it up. So this will be our spacebar. So we are going to go ahead and edit, trim. And this will open up a new window here. And now what we are going to do is go and find the spacebar. So that'll be right there. So why is it not trimming? Okay. You know what? Maybe we'll have to use like an online trimming tool, because it has like, so online video trimmer. Okay. Upload your video. So here we go. So we're gonna drag in poopy.mp4. No. And right there. Okay. Now we need to trim it down to where right there. And then we can click on download. It says one last thing, sign up to download your content. So I guess going to bring it over here. Okay, January. Oh, I guess I already have an account. Okay. So I guess I just need to sign in. So, yeah, there we go. I already had an Adobe account. Okay, so it's just processing. It's a 0.17 second long video. Why does it take that long to process? There we go. Your video has been downloaded. Okay, so this was our spacebar, so we're gonna save it as spacebar.mp4. We're going to replace it. Now what we're gonna do is go to the end of the next one. Right there. And the beginning of it. So yeah, that looks around good. Okay. So, what was that second one? It was our, so the first one. I think it was our main. Yeah, it was our main. Whoops, let's go back. Okay, I gotta drop the movie in again. Or the poopy. Okay, let's go to the beginning of the third one, which is right there. And then the end of it, which is right there. Download. And there we go. So I'll be right back while that processes. Okay. There we go. So now, so we just did main. So now we're gonna do our, this one will be our mid. Yes. Actually, I'm gonna delete all these poopy copies. So we only have one. Now go ahead and go back. Go to the end of the third one, or the fourth one, or whatever we're on. And the beginning of it. Right about there. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now we click download. This one will be numbers. Okay. So now what we'll do is, so all we have left is enter, high, and low. So this one I'm going to do as low, I guess. To be honest, it doesn't matter as long as it's in a random pattern. Okay, so right about there, and right about there. Go maybe a little bit further with that. Okay, download. Boom, bop, bam. There we go. Now this one will be high. And then the last one will be enter. So boom, we just gotta find the start. Download. I'll wait for it to process. Yep. Okay. Enter. So everything is correct. Save. Yes, replace. And there we go. Okay. So now OG and Poopy. Well, actually, we can keep those. We'll just go rename this from Poopy to reference. Okay, so now what we need to do is come into the config.json and change this from anpro2 to steel series Apex Pro PKL. Yep. Okay, so as you can see, this custom sound pack, blah 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 blah, we need to actually change that ID. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the latest release of Mechlife, so the actual release version, not the one we're building. So this one right here, and wait for it to load. And okay, so now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and open up the editor. So here we go. And now just go ahead and export it. And instead of config.json, we're going to just rename it template.json so that we can get the ID. So audio, Apex Pro, budget, blah, blah, blah. Yep, Apex Pro. So then we're going to go temp.json. So now we have our temp.json. Oh, sorry. to this ID here. I'm going to go ahead and copy that ID and paste it into here. So there we go. Okay. So that's kind of, whoops, that's what we need to do. So now we can go into Apex Pro and delete temp.json. Oh, I didn't even have it on the right page. Whoops. Okay, so now we have everything working how it should be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and quit the build of Mechlife. Go ahead into, whoops, terminal, create a new terminal. How many terminals do we have? You know what, never mind. Okay, and then we'll go npm run start, and this will open it up in a dev console, like last time. And so here we go. This is what it looks like. Or, well, this is what it looks like when you're debugging it, obviously. So there we go. We go ahead and here we have our SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. So now what I'm going to do is try typing. So they all cut off a little bit kind of late. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and retrim them, but just retrim them to kind of the like black spot where it went. So here we go. So kind of like this, but oh, we need to. Okay, so basically only a few of them, so I'm actually going to go ahead and list through them and see which ones we need to replace. Because some of them sound fine, and I don't want to take the time to kind of, you know, just redo each one. So I'm going to go back into my source, audio, Apex Pro, and so enter. What about high? So is high okay? So let's see. Yeah, so high doesn't sound that good. What about low? No. Main. Main sounds fine. Mid is fine. So I think that's main, or mid, whatever. What about numbers? No, I think they're fine. So we're just gonna go and drag reference into the trimmer machine. Okay, so next one is high, so we're gonna go ahead and start it right here and end it so right there. Okay, so download. So this is gonna be our high, or to be honest, it doesn't really matter and I don't care. So yeah, we just gotta wait for that to go ahead and finish. And then we can go get started. So this will be our hi.mp4. And then what I'm gonna do is, so we need to find the end and then go a little bit past the end of the low part right here. And so, yep, there we go. So it starts right around here. So I'm gonna go back a little 2 steps probably. And this will be our low. And then, okay, it's good. So this is low. Main.mp4 is fine. So now I just need to go to mid. So that was main. This is mid. Download. So really creating sound packs isn't that hard. It's just very, very time consuming. Because you make mistakes and then you need to fix them and change them. And then you end up needing to do it 5 more times. So, yeah. Okay, so this is mid. Numbers is fine. So I think that we are done. So we can now try npm run start again. And we can see if it works. So here we go. So SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. And right now it's really laggy because I have a ton of stuff open. Actually, I can just probably close Discord. I don't need Discord open. So quit Discord. There we go. Okay. So now what we're going to do is try typing. So which one is that? Hello, maybe? No. Oops. Yeah, so I think it is mid. So I guess we'll just have to use a copied sound for mid. So that means we'll just have to go ahead and copy like numbers, paste it, rename it as mid. It'll become mid 2. We delete mid and then change mid 2 to mid. Okay, so now go ahead and try this again. And holy, it's laggy. Okay, what do I have open that's causing it? Oh, it's so laggy. Maybe I need to like quit something. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay, there we go. I just had two things open at once, and when you have two dev consoles open, it makes it laggy. So we'll try rebuilding this again, and hopefully it works. So it's really laggy again. How do I stop the lag? I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine now, because that was the only one we were having problems with. So what I can do is you can just kind of go ahead and start working on something else, and I'll have to kind of like test it later, because right now it's completely screwed up, or because I somehow have it open or running in the background or something, so I'll have to do it later and fix that. But what we can do is we're gonna change this to github.com/P-Denny gaming, or nope, not P-Denny gaming by T. P-Den Splint Softworks, Mechlife, and then I'll actually have to create a folder to put in there with sounds. So I'll do that later, because, well, actually, you know what, we can do it. So sure, yeah, I can end the stream soon, or whenever you're going. So, because I'm just streaming myself working on this. So, okay, so I'm just gonna come in here, and you can't create new. You can create new files, but you can't create new folders, which is weird. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna create a folder called Sound Packs, and then we'll go ahead and drag it into here. This file is hidden. Wait, what? No, it's not. Okay, so I guess we'll just create one on the desktop. Called, or documents, I guess. Sound packs. Drop them here. Maybe, I don't know. We'll just go custom sound packs. Commit our changes. Add some files. What if I just like add a text like doo-doo.txt? Drag them in here. This file is empty. Okay, now if we drag sound packs in, it'll work. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, so we'll just go custom sound packs, commit our changes. So sound packs, and then what we'll do is we'll edit this, readme.md, and then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and go hashtag Mechlife sound packs. In this folder are community created sound packs that you can use with Mechlife. If, actually we'll do that later. Mechlife download this repository as a .zip file, and download this repository as a .zip file and extract to find the contents. Then open this folder and you can drag your sound pack of choice into the Mechlife custom sounds folder. To find the folder, right click on the system tray icon and then click custom sounds, and then we'll go contributing. If you have made your own sound pack, or if you have made and would like to share it with the community, you can do so by emailing me with a zip file of your sound pack. The zip file of your sound pack, and with the zip file of your sound pack, the name and the creator. And we'll make me a link, which will be a mail to my email. You will receive full credit for making the sound pack, and you receive full credit for making the sound pack. Okay, so now we'll do how to create, or we'll just do how to, and then we'll go how do you, or we'll put this into how do I create Mechlife sound packs. Well, it's really easy. All you have to do is right click on the system tray icon, select the editor, and select the editor. Then you will see a new window pop up. If you only have one sound file that you specify the time of the click, or if you have multiple files, or one for each key, you may select that option. Now you fill in all of the keys with the specified time or sound file that will be used when that key is clicked. Okay. Then you can click the export button and you will be given a config.json file. Make sure to put the config.json in the folder where your sound files are. And we'll okay. So now we'll go here. I just want to thank all of the people that have created submissions and sound packs. It truly means the world to me, as I have added that feature for people that know what they're doing. But I have seen that almost every user has been creating or using custom sound packs. If you have created a sound pack, I would love it if you could please email them to me, and then we'll add a mail to please email them to me so I can post them here for the community. Are you leaving now?
Yeah, but might want to put your shoes on.
Okay. Payson Holmes at gmail.com. Okay, there we go. So okay. So commit changes. So yeah, there we go. So Mechlife tree main sound packs. So we'll go in here, copy this, put it in right there. Okay, there we go. So the home page, we'll just have this say since we don't have a home page yet. What we're gonna do is just link it to github.io. Okay. Slash coming soon, I guess. Same with this, because we don't have a home page yet. Okay, so there we go. So yeah, so the check it out, it'll just leave to the repository. So github.com/P-Denny gaming P-Den exploit Mechlife /releases/latest, and there we go. Okay. I think that is enough for our updated version. We added a new sound. We updated some of the links and stuff. We created a custom sound pack kind of folder. So this is the editor, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to change the editor to create your own custom sounds for Mechlife. What we're going to do is we're going to change this to create custom sound packs for the Mechlife community. And we'll make sure that's capital. Okay, so there we go. Go ahead and save. npm run build win. So that is going to do it for today's stream. Thank you guys so much for watching me update and hang the green screen, which took a while. That took like 20 minutes of the stream. But thank you guys so much for watching today's stream. And I look forward to streaming more often and just really overall kind of giving back to you guys for all that you do